More and more of them, man. This is... God, what is this? What are you? More better yet. What is this better yet? This is like... Coralville Intermodal... Well, pardon me, I didn't mean to fucking interrupt. But it's scenic, so I stopped. Yeah, sure thing. It's kind of warm in here. Well then. Well, that turns into quite the view. Huh. Well, isn't this fascinating? Excuse me? Is this one of those Schumacher elevators? Now let's do this. Except I can't even see it. Oh, hey, so it is. Well, isn't that something? Let's see if I can get off on 2. These are some interesting buttons. Another transit system style elevator. Okay, oh my good Lord almighty. The fuck are you doing? Okay. Come on. That's it. I'm going to the mall.